created the tag, just press submit. You can preview it just to make sure it is on the page, but I've done this so many times, so I'm just going to submit this just for the sake of speed. And so that's done. So now the code is on there. A few things to check are, just to go back into tracker numbers. If you click into call routing and then target numbers, so I'm going to start with call routing. I'm just going to make sure this is correct. So 0, so without the 0, that's fine. Just going to go into here. So this is the type of thing you need to pick up. Setup, this has got to be off unless you're using multiple numbers, but for the time being, exact match off. And then this is obviously wrong, so I want to go GB, and then paste that number in there again. There's little things like this which will you'll likely forget, so just double check it, otherwise it won't work. Okay, +44, that looks okay. So the next thing to do is, we've done the tracking code, is to go to settings, go to integrations. So now we're going to integrate into Google Analytics. So we need to integrate call tracking metrics into Analytics, and then Analytics into AdWords. So link your Analytics account. What I've just done there is that now we can see all the profiles that are on analytics at pushscript.co.uk. Now you need to search for the specific one. So that would be CM Telecom. A lot of these will be named the same thing, even though you've named it as a specific something. So you actually have to look at the number itself. So properties. So it's 2333. 2333. Yeah, so it's that one. Use profile. You can go through call settings and edit, and just go through all these settings. I mean, you can make your way through that. They're not necessary, but they're there. Stuff like call whisper, so to tell them that a call from PPC is coming through before they then actually answer it, so they know. For example, once that is done, you want to then go to your analytics account, set up the goals, new goal, custom PPC calls, it's an event, continue, calls, value 1, that's it, done, save. And when you've done it in analytics, you want to go to the account, Telecom.